Airbnb investing is about more than just collecting rent. It's a dynamic approach to real estate. It's about crafting memorable guest experiences, going above and beyond to ensure satisfaction, and ultimately earning higher returns on your investment. Instead of dealing with a single long-term tenant, you have the opportunity to host dozens of diverse guests throughout the year, each bringing a unique story and perspective, and each of those guests is paying a premium nightly rate, reflecting the value and convenience of short-term stays. This dynamic pricing model can translate into significantly higher monthly income compared to traditional fixed rent rentals. A well-run Airbnb, strategically managed and thoughtfully designed, can be a serious income generator, providing a substantial boost to your finances. It can even pave a path to financial freedom, offering the flexibility and resources to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. But remember, it's hands-on. It requires active management and dedication. You'll need to manage bookings efficiently, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience for your guests from start to finish. You'll also be responsible for cleanings, maintaining a spotless and welcoming environment for each new arrival. And of course, you'll need to keep up with supplies, ensuring your property is well stocked with all the essentials guests need for a comfortable stay. Prompt and effective guest communication is also key, addressing inquiries and resolving any issues that may arise. It's undeniably more work than managing a long-term rental, demanding more of your time and attention, but the rewards, both financial gains and the personal satisfaction of creating exceptional experiences, can be truly huge and fulfilling. So, if you're ready to hustle, to put in the effort and dedication required, Airbnb can transform that spare room, that underutilized property, into a powerful wealth-building machine, generating income and building your financial future. Success in the short-term rental market often starts with location. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Prioritize areas near popular tourist attractions, bustling business hubs, and vibrant downtown areas. These locations naturally attract a higher volume of potential guests. Don't overlook areas near hospitals or medical centers, where travelers often need accommodation for medical appointments or to be close to loved ones. Leverage data-driven insights using tools like AirDNA. Thoroughly research average nightly rates and occupancy rates in your target area before you commit to buying or leasing a property. Understanding these metrics is crucial for projecting potential revenue. Always, without exception, check local laws and any homeowners association (HOA) rules that may apply to the property. Be aware that some municipalities and HOAs have outright bans or significant restrictions on short-term rental. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines or legal issues. Run the numbers meticulously. Carefully factor in all potential costs associated with the property. This includes everything from your mortgage payments and monthly utility bills to the ongoing cost of cleaning, essential supplies, and regular household maintenance. Then, rigorously compare these expenses to your projected rental income to determine profitability. Once you've identified a potentially profitable spot, it's time to focus on the guest experience. Design an inviting and comfortable space, aiming for an Instagram-worthy aesthetic, and provide a range of desirable amenities that will appeal to your target guests. Invest in high-quality, professional photographs of your property. These photos are, without a doubt, your most effective marketing tool, capturing attention and showcasing the best aspects of your rental. Craft a catchy and memorable title and write a detailed and compelling description of your property. This will help your listing stand out from the competition and attract more potential bookings. A great presentation, combining stunning visuals and persuasive writing, is what ultimately turns casual browsers into confirmed bookers. With your listing live and ready to welcome guests, it's time to focus on maximizing your earning potential. Think of your listing as a dynamic asset that can generate consistent income with the right strategies. One of the most effective ways to maximize income is by using dynamic pricing. This involves adjusting your rates based on demand, seasonality, and other factors. Weekends are prime booking times, so be sure to adjust rates accordingly. You can often charge a premium for Friday and Saturday nights, capitalizing on increased demand. Don't forget about holidays. These are peak travel periods, offering a significant opportunity to increase your revenue. and local events. Big concerts, festivals, or conventions can drive up demand for accommodation in your area. Use pricing tools to automate and stay competitive. These tools can help you monitor market trends and adjust your rates in real time, ensuring you're always offering the best possible price. Upsell extras like early check-in. Offering this as an add-on can provide extra convenience for guests and boost your income. And late checkout. Similar to early check-in, this is a valuable perk that guests are often willing to pay for. Or local experience packages. Partner with local businesses to offer unique experiences that enhance your guest stay. Lists on multiple platforms. Airbnb VerboBooking.com for more bookings. Diversifying your listings across multiple platforms increases your visibility and booking potential. Use Channel Manager software to sync calendars. This is crucial for managing bookings across multiple platforms efficiently. And avoid double booking. Double bookings can lead to unhappy guests and negative reviews, so accuracy is key. 5-star hospitality is key. Providing an exceptional guest experience is essential for earning positive reviews and repeat bookings. Respond quickly. Automate messages. Prompt communication shows guests you care and can streamline the booking process. Keep the place spotless and handle issues fast. Cleanliness is paramount, and addressing any problems promptly demonstrates your commitment to guest satisfaction. Small touches, like a welcome note or local snack, earn rave reviews. These thoughtful gestures can make a big difference in your guests' overall experience. Happy guests mean more bookings and a thriving business. By focusing on providing exceptional service and a memorable stay, you'll create a loyal customer base and ensure long-term success. Guests are long-term stars and their insurance is lengthy. Be baby glass, be wait. Airbnb offers higher income and flexibility but comes with more work, guest turnover, and regulatory risks. Income can fluctuate and you're on call for guest issues. Regulations can change, so always stay informed. No cash to buy? Try rental arbitrage, lease a property, get landlord approval, and re-rent on Airbnb. Your profit is the difference between guest revenue and your rent and expenses. Start small, do your research, and focus on hospitality. Whether you buy or lease, Airbnb can be your gateway to real estate success.